On gender equity, some eminent Nigerians converged on Abuja Friday in a significant intervention to institutionalize gender inclusion within the political legislative space. The forum, convened by the Ooni of Ife, Oba Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwusi, along with other traditional rulers and legislators from the Southwest, brainstormed on proposed bill to reserve special seats for women in the legislature. The Director General, National Institute for Legislative and Democratic Studies, Professor ABUBAKAR SULAIMAN, said the special seat bill seeks to address the long-standing structural imbalance in Nigeria's political representation by providing for designated number of additional seats for women in both chambers of the National Assembly and the State Houses of Assembly. Professor ABUBAKAR SULAIMAN disclosed this in Abuja. Here's more on this report.
The Director General NILDS, Professor Abubakar Sulaiman, noted that the gathering aims to explore and identify regional and political pathways for galvanizing legislative support, especially from the Southwest caucus, whose unified stance could significantly advance the bill's trajectory within the National Assembly.
It reinforces Nigerian broader democratic consolidation agenda, ensuring that legislative institutions mirror the diversity, inclusivity, and dynamism of the Nigerian populace. Our discussion today with our traditional rulers, the legislature, and perhaps the CSO are expected to build a shared and informed understanding of the special seat bill, particularly its contents, legislative implications, and the far-reaching developmental benefit it portends for Nigerian democracy. Through technical dialogue and engagement, we will have the opportunity to interrogate the bill's provision and situate them within the broader content of electoral reform and constitutional equity.
The convener of the forum, the Ooni of Ife, Oba Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwusi, declared his full support for the special seat bill, describing it as a bill that would transform the nation by giving voice and opportunity to women who have long been overlooked.
Are all in the National Assembly, and we are starting with Southwest. Because it's our voice. We have a very strong voice in the media. We understand how we will penetrate our subjects. We are not trying to use force, but we're trying to convince them as royal fathers to reason along with us so that the role of women in the legislative arm of their country will have a better place. We have a voice in this. It's not a joke. We are with them. We are supporting them. We are with them fully.
In her remarks, the former country director of the Action Aid Nigeria, NILDS, noted that the inclusiveness for women will benefit not just the women, but Nigeria as a whole.
The issue of proportion came on board because when they discussed it, I think the bill, it almost passed because we're doing harmonization of what they take for voting. The bill did not, because someone raised the point that if you are giving 37 to Senate, then the number in the House of Representatives needs to triple. That is one geopolitical zone. And the House said they couldn't take more. And the Senate says if you couldn't take more, then we have to bring down the number. That's the result that we have. We are hoping and praying that they can raise it. If they want a proportionate representation in terms of what we have in the House of Representatives, about 9%, you can raise that by additional 2 seats.
More women in governance will only bring progress and respect for Nigeria among the community of nations. The stakeholder said the bill, when passed, will ensure that Nigerian women fully enjoy the constitutional of all citizens.